As a user of Customer Source, you have many more options to take advantage of. One of them is interaction and training. So I'm going to briefly talk about the online training and what you can do here. There are 102 training classes that a user can enroll in and take. Based upon the ability of doing online training, you will just basically go to Readiness and Training. You will go to the e-learning portal, and based upon my settings I want to learn about Dynamics GP, but you can choose the product here. In this case it's going to be Dynamics 2010. Actually, I'm going to swing that back. I'm going to go to Dynamics 10, and you notice right here there's 102 classes. One of 50 is showing up. Let's narrow this down to financial, and now I've got one of 36. And so you could do a collection here of bank rec, fixed assets, or whatnot, or you can just come down and choose what you want here. Now also you'll notice in the online training there's a beginner's level, there's an intermediate level, and then there's also an advanced level that you can choose from. Now in this particular series there are no advanced levels, but on the 2010 side there are. But let's go ahead and do Dynamics GP orientation. You'll see here that this class is 20 minutes long. You can actually begin the course here, or you can download the course and put it on your laptop and see it when you want, maybe if you're traveling. But let's begin the course. As you begin the course, as you do so, you begin the tutorial by clicking here. And when you do so, there will be a person that's going to be talking to you as you go through each and every course. And I will stop talking and let you kind of listen here as to what this person has to say.
Examples of losses are loss on the sale of investments and litigation. Typically, losses have a debit balance. A debit will increase the account and a credit will decrease the account.
Okay, so each and every one of these screens, as you go through the learning, you can actually go forward, you can go backward, you can test your knowledge of whether or not you've understood all that has been done. And there's multiple ways that you can test your knowledge, but it uses either a crossword puzzle or these type of things where they'll ask which financial statement summarizes a company's earnings performance during an accounting period. And I'm just going to make a mistake here on purpose and choose balance sheet, and you submit it, and it's going to come back and say, sorry, the balance sheet is not the correct answer. Okay, so let's try again. Well, gee, maybe it's a statement of cash flows. Sorry. So what I'm getting at here, it's actually telling you, it's teaching you, you should know this already anyway, but as an accountant and so forth, you can do that. So it gives you a couple tries and then highlights, no, it's the income statement. So as you go through and test your knowledge, you will get the ability of testing and doing these types of things. We've gone through the e-learning, we've chosen the screen, and here's another one. It's just a crossword in this case. If you go into it and this were live and not a slide presentation, you would be typing in the word that they're looking for and it would fill in the crossword puzzle. And again, it makes it a lot of fun to take the training. If you chose to just give up and have the puzzle fill in for you, you can do that, or you can input your answers as I mentioned. It's a lot of fun, enjoyable training. That ends the section on online training.